Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if your slime has foam beads and they're like constantly like falling out, then this is a video for you. So I'm going to show you guys how, when you have slime like this, how not to get the foam beads falling out. I don't know if I said that right. I don't know why I can't speak. But let's go on with the video. First things first, you're going to need some lotion. Just doesn't matter what lotion, I'm just using a prescription one. There you go. That's probably, yeah. I'm gonna need some like nice sticky lotion, and like you're gonna need it. And you see it's getting really sticky, so you're gonna need your activator. Yep, so you're gonna need your activator. You're gonna mix that in. Shoot, come on. You're gonna need your activator, you're gonna need that in. My activator is borax, hot water, you know. It may be falling out now, but it won't fall when I'm done with it. I'm gonna get the residue off, whatever you're using. And when you're doing this, if you're doing it like somewhere that you're not supposed to be doing, like I am, you're gonna wanna clean it up after. So you don't get in trouble. No, see if it has bead fall out. Stretching it, no bead fall out. I'm dropping it, no bead fall out. This is like probably already helped you add that in. Stretching it, no bead fall out. So yeah, all you're gonna need is, this is really simple and easy. So you can see this is still a little sticky, so add your activator back in. And it's nice and clicky. So yeah guys, thank you for joining me in this video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave in the comments what I should do next below for slime. Thanks for joining my channel. Tap the notification bell if you want to be part of the DIY Savage notification squad, and I'll be doing shoutouts. Thank you guys.